Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Amy Lee Foster, and here we talk about all things law of attraction, self-love, and personal development. So today I am going to unbox my brand new Law of Attraction planner. This one is called the 2021 Deluxe Weekly and Monthly Life Planner from Freedom Mastery. I got it on Amazon. I've actually had this planner 3 different times. I had it in 2018, I had 2019, and also in 2019 I had one for work. These right here are the B5 size. They're my favorite because they're basically the size of a book. I don't have to cramp my writing, and I can put a lot more in it. My work one was the A5, so it was about that big, the size of basically one of your standard journals. And the layout just wasn't quite as good. It didn't really fit my needs as much. It was basically rectangles for the days of the week, and you get a week view at a time. So these planners, super well loved. They are made with vegan leather. They are beautiful. The 2018 had a mandala with, looks like, major world cultural sites. The 2019 was this beautiful teal color with horoscopes right in the middle. And this year, I also got the B5 size, and I got it in vanilla. I don't think this was an option in previous years. I don't know, because last year I decided to bullet journal. And while I can see how it really works well, and I also love looking or watching planner videos where people do their monthly and weekly spreads. I love it. I just never have the time to actually do it. And my bullet journals ended up being more of my journals and not really, well, it ended up being journal and list, and it didn't really end up being a planner. So I definitely wanted to get this year. I found it really effective for me in previous years. And this year, in combination with my journaling, I think I'm going to have a super powerful year. So I am not affiliated with Freedom Mastery in any way, but I love these journals. I love these planners, and I wanted to share them with you in case you wanted to get one. So I do think it's the best planner in the market for my needs anyway. Let me show you why I think so. So the cover this year is gorgeous. Looks like a tree, little girl sitting underneath it, Law of Attraction Planner logo right there in the center. And then all around the tree are affirmations. So just a couple of them. I am healthy, energized, and perfect in every way. I am beautiful. I love and accept. I am rich, blessed, happy, and strong. My income and wealth is constantly increasing. These are great affirmations. All right, so let's just dig right in and see what we have. Right here, the sides are rose gold, super pretty. Comes with stickers. I'm a sucker for stickers. These have come in previous years as well. I love this like rose gold and black. Appointment stickers. You know, I don't love these specific stickers because once we get into the journal, you'll see, but they are way bigger than the lines of the journal. So they're basically going to take up quite a few hours on the journal. But this, ooh, this is new this year. I don't know if they were in last year's because of course I didn't get one, but this was not in the previous years. So right here we have tabs for the month and the whole month calendar sticker. Totally awesome. My 2018, I had tabs on it as well, and they're super useful, but I got these in a different sticker set. They had nothing to do with Law of Attraction Planner, and I'm really excited that they came in this year's. And promo code. All right, so when I link this down below, I am going to put the promo code too. So Ooh, I've got some for 10% off, and I have a 15% off promo code. So I'm gonna put that down below for you guys. All right, so starts off right here with a quote from Gandhi. Let's see what we have. My life statement, my mission statement, and this planner belongs to an index. Super, super handy. I never actually utilized this in my previous journals, but I've been using it in my bullet journal, and I've been finding it really helpful to look back and be able to find things really quickly. So this is awesome. All right, we have a law of attraction roadmap right here. I think that this is pretty amazing. You get a checklist as you cross each thing off down here, and we start over here at awareness and self-discovery and end at reflect and celebrate. So this is a really great journal, or really great roadmap for the year. And I feel like most journals, they definitely don't have any of this. They basically start, I don't even know, right here at daily priorities. So you get all of this and guided through awareness and self-discovery, make mission and vision statement, set big goals, mind mapping, creating harmony on all levels, setting priorities, creating your vision board and life statement, making a clear strategy, let go of your old unsupportive story and create a new story, finding mentors, creating positive surroundings, and then we get over to daily priorities. So definitely a lot included in this planner. Here we have questions to empower your day. So journaling prompts and evening power questions or journaling prompts. More affirmations over here to increase your emotional vibration. And over here we have visualization and journaling prompts for self-care, giving back, and entertainment. Just to really have a balanced life. I don't feel like any journal that I've come across is quite as in-depth and really helping you set a vision statement, self-awareness, all the things that I'm constantly saying to do with scripting and goal setting. So here we have most important life questions to really get to know yourself, your mission and vision statement, and how to go about crafting that. Let's see, over here, goal setting. Set 50 goals in all areas of your life. And they want them to be SMART goals, so specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-based goals. Map to creating harmony at all levels. Create a mind map for your goals to live a happy and joyful life. It is important to set goals for every part of your life. Choose to set goals for your inner and outer world. Top 5 goals of the year. Reward list, reprogramming your mind, and then actually this way to look at where I am now and where I'm going and how do I get there? How will I make it happen? And then on this side, there's room for your vision board and for your most prompts to get you really thinking about your most important life goals and why you want it. Creating your life statement there. Let's see. Skills, habits, who you're surrounded by, who will keep me accountable, and what can I delegate. This is all like really important, powerful work. Breaking down goals. Mind map for your daily action plan to get to your goals. And then once we get into the month, here we have first page of the month. We get to have the full month view, feel good intention, big goal for the month of January right here, skills, habits to learn, desired goals for the month over here, action steps to get to each of these goals, and then just some extra space for whatever you want to put over there. And then as you see the week view, you can probably see why I love it so much. I love being able to see the whole week at once. I like having this really long set of hours, so from 5 a.m. till 10 p.m. I find that most other planners stop right around 7 or 8 o'clock, and they don't start until about 7 either. So this one gives you a lot more space, and you can see why I think these stickers are just way too big for their purpose. Let me grab them from over here. See, they take up like 3 or at least 2 hours right there. So don't love the size of those stickers. But big goal for the week, breaking it all down, priorities for every single day of the week, this week's top priorities, errands, tasks to delegate. We have to-do list over here, positive habit maker, and space for you to put your own positive habits in, and then just extra scratch space. Every page also has its own quote, which is pretty cool. Just kind of lift you up and help you get motivated. And then as we go further in, let's see, to the end of the month, it has all of the space to reflect on your month, celebrating your achievements, trying to see how harmonious you were over the month, tallying your hours and your money saved, and then some questions to really get you thinking. Extra idea note space, and then on to the next month. And it basically just goes on like that until we get to the end of the year. So, all right, so back here, we have lots of dotted line space, like a bullet journal, just a journal, notes, or if you need extra space in the journal. And it is perforated so you can rip it out and stick it in if you need extra space for a week, or if you need to make a list and take it with you. I always do my grocery list in the back of here. So, let's see, last page, top 20 places I'd love to visit. Map of the world. Over here we have a up close and personal map of Europe and the US. And then back here we have a folder booklet from the designer of the creator of the journal, Law of Attraction Secrets, 8 Proven Steps to Manifesting Your Dream Life. Little why I created this planner section. Tips on better manifesting. And then how to use this planner. So, very useful. There you go. So overall, I personally think this is the best planner on the market. The best planner I've found so far. There's so many added bonus, extra things to really get you to drill down and find out what your goals are. And in the past, I have definitely really utilized it and really enjoyed it. So as to, let's see, the paperweight, you know, it's pretty good. There's a little bit of ghosting, but it's not really, it's not bad. It's not straight bleeding through. You just can see a little bit of an outline. If you get really crazy and get really dark and maybe coloring, you might get a little bit more, but the paperweight's really nice. And then, whew, man, it's crazy when you look back through this and how out of alignment I was definitely a few years ago. It's always so cool to look back on either your journal or your planner from the previous years, especially when you put a lot of thought and time into it, and see, you know, where you were at back then, remember, and then see how much further along you've come on your goals. and how much your goals might have changed from all of that before. So definitely cool. I'm really excited to start filling out this new planner. And if you're interested in getting this planner, I will definitely link it below. I'm gonna put the promo code down there for you too. And if you enjoyed this video, please hit subscribe. If you are using this journal, or if you want to share your own personal methods, we're definitely interested in hearing about them. So leave a comment down below. Have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and have an awesome 2021.